So it's been a while since I've made scones, so for all you cinnamon lovers out there, you'll be pleased with the intense cinnamon flavor in them. Here's how you can make them. Cut the dry ingredients with the fat until you get coarse breadcrumbs. Add the wet ingredients and mix together into a shaggy dough. Gently knead the dough and pat into a rectangle. Add cinnamon sugar on top and do 3 single folds with the dough. Then shape into a disc and cover and chill it in the fridge for an hour and go make some streusel in the meantime. Cut the dry ingredients with the fat until you get pea-sized breadcrumbs. Then divide the scones into 8 pieces and brush with some cream and top with some streusel. Bake them until golden brown and then mix together the cinnamon glaze. Stir together until it's nice and smooth. Then drizzle that decadent glaze over the scones and your cinnamon scones are complete. You can enjoy them on its own or with some coffee. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you like it, please follow for more great baking content.